Does your artwork feel a little lackluster? Let's bring it to life by changing the color of your dashed lines in Adobe Illustrator. Begin by selecting the line you'd like to modify. Open the Appearance panel by going to Window and selecting Appearance. If needed, ensure that your stroke is selected. It usually is at the top of the attributes list. Time for action. Click on the stroke label within the Appearance panel. This unveils your stroke settings. In the second gray section of the stroke panel, check the dashed line box if your line is not already dashed. To change the color, locate the color swatch next to stroke. Click on it to open your color options. You have multiple ways to pick colors. The easiest way is to click a color from the swatches panel, which you will usually see next to the color selection. For a more specific look, use the color picker for precise control. But wait, there's more. You can also apply gradients. If you have a gradient in your swatches panel, select it now. When you change the color of your dashed line, it will display the gradient you selected. Play around with different colors, gradients, and dash gap sizes to create amazing designs. Subscribe to this channel